Hey guys, it's Frances. Welcome back to my channel. For this week's plan with me, I'm going to continue trying to use up things from my stash. If you watched my video last week, I did mention that I wanted to try using things that I already had. I'm going to try and do a no buy February. So we'll see how that works out. But I went ahead and pulled out this scrapbook pad. I purchased this at Michael's when they had the We Are Memory Keepers line. I don't even know if they still have this line there. I don't think they do, but yeah, I think I bought this either last year or maybe even the year before last year, and I've never used it. I also pulled out my stamps because I do want to try and stamp some more, even though I know I say that all the time. I watched a video from maybe 2 years ago, and in that video I was saying, yeah, I want to get into stamping more, blah, 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 blah. And I'm like, wow, here we are 2 years later, still saying the same thing and still haven't begun stamping. So I'm going to work on that. And then I also pulled out some stickers. These are some stickers that I also had in my stash. So I don't know if I'm going to be using all of them or what I'm going to be using. I just pulled them out just to go through and see if anything jumped out at me to use. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm going to fast forward the video and I will see you guys, or I'll talk to you guys when I'm done. Alright you guys, I think that is all I'm going to do for right now. I will add more as the week goes on, obviously. I am overall satisfied with the way the spread came out. I know my stamping is not the greatest, but I think for me not doing it that often, I think it came out pretty good. Minus the, you know, the little O's. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys are enjoying watching me use up my stash. Like, I forgot I had these quote things. I don't even know if they still make these. If I can find them, I'll link them down below for you guys. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys are having a great week. And until next time, I will talk to you guys soon. Bye!